What's going on, everybody? This is Book of Forte. I'm going to teach you an in-place, kind of like glide or float. It's normally performed from the back. Alright? Here we go. This one, I've been doing a long time. Les twins, they do it too. It's normally performed from the back when it's done. So if my back was towards you, it would look like this. A lot of people do it non-stop, they twins, little buck, everybody does it. But in case you don't know how to do it, this is the tutorial for it, okay? It still has the same principles of all the other slides. Literally, that's how people make them up, and that's how I make them up. I know what the foundation is, and you just keep on interchanging them with different ideas. This is just a different idea. It was easy to learn, it was easy to do, but here it is for you, okay? Same principles. I'm going to start off with left toe and right heel. Alright? Left toe, right heel. The higher you can get on your toe, the better the illusion. For me, because I didn't train ballet, it depends on my shoes. For others, they can get on their toe really easy and just keep on doing it like it's nothing. Some people, they just get right here on the ball of their foot. That's okay too. As long as the right heel is down when you're doing it, that's the most important. Alright? But here's the tutorial. So you want to do left toe as high on your toe as possible, and right heel. Use your arms for the swinging to get the momentum. So right here, you're going to go boom. After it's done completing, you slide up your foot to get to your right toe and do it from the other way. Boom. And you slide up your foot again, switch it to your other toe, and do it again. Slide it up, switch it to your right toe. Now, the most important is the toe and the heel. They have to be opposite. If one's on the toe, the other one has to be on the heel. If one's on the heel, the opposite has to be on the toe. Boom, 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 boom. And you can actually transition with it as well. I did this in the swimming pools video by Lloyd, if you want to look it up. Okay. From the front, I know it doesn't really help you sometimes from the front, but just for the point of view, I do it like this as well. Okay. The goal is to make it super smooth. It's body control, leg control. You know, make it fluid. Try to go along with the song for the musicality. Alright. And all you're doing is left toe, right heel, sliding the right heel up, going to right toe, switching, left heel slides back, left heel goes up, and he goes left toe, and do opposite. Right heel goes back, slide up the right heel, go to right toe, left heel goes back, left heel comes up, go to left toe, and you just keep on doing it. you have any questions, feel free to leave that down in the comment section. Book of Forte. All right? Holla.